Alright guys, here at the scrapyard, figured I'd show you another example of the final resting spot for the poor cars that get damaged or no longer repairable to put back on the road. So here's the end of yet another Corvette as we get rid of it and send it back to be resurrected into a Honda, Toyota, or maybe even if it's lucky, a dishwasher or a refrigerator. So I was hoping he'd throw it on the pile for me. Oh! As I forget my tool. That's a good operator right there. Now that's always fun. As hard as it is to watch that happen to it, it's always kind of fun to see. There's a satisfying thing about watching. You know, but there is the end of the Corvette, my friends. She lived a good life, we hope. And there it goes straight into the truck to be processed. So and he will grab these other two pieces for me here. Or else I'll just probably drop them. So, thought I'd bring that to you. It's very short-lived, but, you know, it's fun. Oh yeah, he's gonna grab these for me. He's good with the tool. Let's see if we can make this work. There's one. There's one right there. And here we got another one. So, yes, the power of hydraulics, children. It's a beautiful thing. So look, thanks for checking in. This is a short one today. I just thought I'd bring you this just for fun, just because it's cool to watch. And I'll check back with you guys next time. See you then.